Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was facing issues with my GoPro Hero 8. I had the Hero 8 with the media mod. So my GoPro was almost 4 years old. I was not able to use it much in the last 4 years. It's the time when I bought my bike. I started to make content on my channel. So I started using it heavily. But I later realized that because this GoPro is old, the battery was not supporting enough and I could not get the original batteries for the Hero 8. So that's how the GoPro was. It was becoming a challenge to do the moto vlogs on the Hero 8. So I went ahead and bought the GoPro Hero 12. This is the Hero 12 that I have got from Amazon, and I also got the GoPro Media mod along with this because the mic cannot connect to the GoPro directly. We need to have a media mod or a mic adapter. So I thought of going with the media mod. I will do the unboxing for you guys. So let's get started with the video. The packaging looks really good. I bought this from Amazon. With offer, I got it for 34,000. Couple of documentations here. USB cable, helmet mount. This is the battery, flat mount, and here is the GoPro. It says camera must be updated before you can use it. So many stickers to protect the lenses and the screen. The packaging is really good. And the camera texture is also very different from all the other heroes. So this was about the camera. Let me install. I did not install the battery. Battery is really huge when I compare it with the Hero 8. I'm pairing my phone with the GoPro because it will not set up until the phone is paired. Till the time GoPro is getting set up, let's unbox the media mod. We have extra mounts with the media mod. This is really great. It will come in handy for me. This is the dead cat for the media mod. The media mod looks similar to Hero 8 media mod, but the good thing is protection for the we have protection for the ports as well. All the three ports are over here, and I can install this. The camera is switched on. Now let me set this up and I will see you in the GoPro mode. I hope you will enjoy the footages of the new GoPro.